Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu said, once I came out at night and saw that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was going alone, unaccompanied by anyone. I thought perhaps he disliked it that someone might escort him. So I continued walking behind him in moonlight. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam looked behind and seeing me said, "Who is there?" I submitted, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sacrifice me over you. I am Abu Zar." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Abu Zar, come along." He stated, I kept walking along with him for a while. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Those who have got excessive wealth will own less virtues on the resurrection day. Saves him on whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has bestowed wealth and he expends it on his right side, left side, in front and behind him, and procures virtues by means of it." Hazrat Abu Zar states, I then kept walking with him for a while when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, "Sit here." He said, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked me to sit at a place where there were stones all around and said, "Keep sitting here until I come back." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then went towards the stony land until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out of sight. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam had a long stay there. Then I heard him saying while coming back, though he has committed theft or adultery. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had arrived, I could not help asking, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sacrifice me over you. To whom were you talking there on the stony land, whereas I did not see anyone talking to you?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He was Jibreel alayhi salam, who came to me on the stony land and said, 'Convey your ummah the glad tiding that whoso dies without associating any partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will certainly enter paradise.' I submitted, 'O Jibreel, though he has committed theft or adultery?' He replied, 'Yes.' I said, 'Though he has committed theft or adultery?' He replied, 'Yes, and though he imbibes.'" Habib bin Abu Thabit, Amash and Abdul Aziz bin Rafi reported it from Zayd bin Wahab. Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi said, the hadith which Abu Saleh has reported from Abu Darda is mursal and is not authentic. We have mentioned it only for awareness. The authentic one is that of Hazrat Abu Zar. It was said to Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi, Ata bin Yasar has also reported it from Hazrat Abu Darda radiyallahu anhu. He thereupon replied, that is mursal too. Hazrat Abu Zar's hadith is the authentic one. He further said, add this to Hazrat Abu Darda's hadith, when someone dies and pronounce La ilaha illallah while dying. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 6443.